How to transfer money from RBC Royal Bank to another bank. Let's get started. First, open RBC app on your phone. If you're using a computer, you can go to RBC website. Next, look for the Move Money option at the bottom of the app or on the website. Once you find Move Money, select Send and Interact e-Transfer. Now you will need to enter the account you want to send money from. Make sure you choose the correct account. Then type in the amount you want to send. Double check to ensure it's correct. Choose how you want to notify the recipient. You can select email, SMS, or both. Create a security question and answer that only you and the recipient will know. This is important for the recipient to access the funds. You can add a message for the recipient if you like. This step is optional. Finally, click Send at the bottom and then Finish to complete the transaction. And that's it. You have successfully transferred money from RBC to another bank online. Super easy and simple. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.